Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. It was not a good week for the Philippine Stock Exchange. PSE index went down from 7,289.61 last October 22, 2021, to 7,054.7 this October 29, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a minus 3.22% decrease in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down from 739.77 K pesos to 726.94 K pesos, or a minus 1.73% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 138.96 K pesos to 126.12 K pesos. We were able to buy one stock for October to complete the October 2021 buying. We bought RLC last October 27, 2021. We will further discuss how we did it, but before we proceed with our discussion, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We bought RLC or Robinson's Land Corporation last October 22, 2021. We bought it at 17.04 pesos per share with 2,500 shares. This is equivalent to 42,725.67 pesos. This is part of our reinvestment with what we sold in the previous month. This will be monitored weekly and we will try to sell it after 1 year or if our target price is met. Our target selling will be between 22 to 27 pesos per share. So far, we have already bought 2 out of 2 stocks for October 2021. First is LTG, which we bought at 9.31 pesos per share at 4,400 shares or 41,084.85 pesos. Second is RLC, which we bought at 17.04 pesos per share at 2,500 shares or 42,725.67 pesos. Overall, we already reinvested 83,810.52 pesos, which has a current value of 86,927.18 or a 3.72% gain. We will be buying 2 stocks per month as part of our strategy. To summarize the performance of our investment for week 55, here is the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is P Gold, gaining 3.3%. While the least performer is DMC, losing minus 9.45%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 13.71% this October 29, 2021, coming from 10.84% last October 22, 2021. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 27.33% this October 29, 2021. Coming from 26.56% last October 22, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 2.97% this October 29, 2021, coming from minus 0.47% last October 22, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 4.99% this October 29, 2021, coming from 5.09% last October 22, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 32.51%, coming from 33.59%. The second batch is gaining by 25.27%, coming from 27.76%. The third batch is gaining by 13.06%, coming from 13.16%. The fourth batch is gaining by 7.03%, coming from 10.52%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82 K pesos, our investment's current value is 726.94 K pesos, equivalent to 20.99%, coming from 23.13%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of magical stocks and the 8 experimental stocks. Quote, "Do not be embarrassed by your failures, learn from them and start again." Unquote. Richard Branson. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.